Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the glass shelf insert in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new glass shelf insert. This glass insert is the top portion of the shelf assembly. The main reason to replace the glass shelf insert is if it's cracked or broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. I'm going to remove this shelf, lift it up and slide it out. All right, let's place it onto this table. I'm going to lift it up, and now we're going to remove this front trim by turning it. And now I'm going to remove the glass insert. This is the old glass shelf insert next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so we're going to install this new glass insert. I'm going to start with the rear trim. I'm going to lift it up, everything. And the glass goes into this opening. Make sure that we're putting it evenly. Push it in, and I'm going to place the glass here, and I'm going to turn the front trim to lock the glass insert. Again, now I'm going to place it on the table. I'm going to remove these stickers. We already know the glass is in there. Peel them off. And now I'm going to install this into the fridge. All right, now I'm going to slide the shelf in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.